Good morning. Today's lesson is 10.4. Identify, name, and describe cylinders. While we're doing this, we're looking for how can you identify, name, and describe cylinders. Today's page is 425. 425. So again, we have our mat. What is a cylinder and not a cylinder? If you have shapes to cut at home and glue into your mat or glue onto your mat, that's fine. If not, we're going to go ahead and draw our shapes just like we've done in the past. So today, a cylinder is like that can of corn or beans that you have in your pantry. So we're going to go ahead and draw a cylinder on this side. And what is not a cylinder? We have what we learned yesterday, our cubes. And we have our cones. We put our little lines to make it look like that. And we also have our spheres, anything that was a ball that can roll, so you can do that. So we have our cylinder and not cylinder shapes. Go ahead and turn the page. On page 426, 426, we're looking at this shape, the cylinder. And we want to describe it and circle what describes a cylinder. Does a cylinder have a flat surface? Yes, you can stack it. Up here you can stack and keep stacking cylinders on top of each other. So yes, it has a flat surface. Does it have a curved surface where you can roll it? Yeah, you can turn the cylinders on their side and you can go ahead and roll the cylinder. Good job. How many flat surfaces do you have on a cylinder? Well, you can stack on top, or you can have it flat on a table on the bottom. So we have 2 flat surfaces. And I don't know if you could see that line. There you go, 2 flat surfaces. Good job. Moving on to page 427. 427. Identify the objects that are shaped like a cylinder. Mark an X on those objects. So we're going to do what we did in the past, but this time we're looking for cylinders. And we're going to go ahead and put an X on those that are considered a cylinder shape. So this first one on the top shelf is a can of tuna. Is that a cylinder? Yes, so we're going to go ahead and put an X over the can of tuna. What about the basketball? No, that's a sphere. What about our block here? No, that's a cube. So let's go to the second shelf. The container of tennis balls, is that a cylinder? Yes, so we're going to go ahead and put an X over it. And this box, package, what is that? That's a cube, so we're not going to put an X on it. And this is a pyramid. It's a candle that's shaped in a pyramid shape. So that's not a cylinder, so we're not going to do anything with that one. This orange, is that a cylinder? No. This container that can send packages, is that a cylinder? Very good. So go ahead and cross it out. And then you have this megaphone. Is that a cylinder? No. It's a cone, so we're going to leave it alone. Good job. Now go ahead and turn your page to page 428. 428. And we're looking at these 2 shapes up here. I have 2 flat surfaces. Which shape am I? Mark an X on that shape. So we're going to look at both of them, this one and this one. What has two flat surfaces? Very good, the yellow one. That's the cylinder. Excellent. And then in this box, this last one, number 5, it says draw a shape to know what you know about a real object that is shaped like a cylinder. And we've been talking these last couple of days about a can of corn or beans in your pantry. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my cylinder. And I'm going to write corn because that's what I have in my pantry. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye.